Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Ripple. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past few days broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like through this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Done this analysis several times. I can't remember exactly the last time, but over the weekend, I'm sure if you follow cryptos, you know there was some news that I think was mainly geared towards Bitcoin, but it had the no pun intended ripple effect, and now all of a sudden it's affected other cryptos across the board, Ripple being included. So there was a big old plunge to the downside, and now a lot of these cryptos, including Ripple here, are definitely getting near important areas as far as the chart is concerned. And as far as that is concerned here on Ripple, that key level, which so far so good, the price bounced actually beautifully off it right here at 55 cents. You go back to the history of the chart and you can see, let's see, when was that? Back in May, price got down around that 55 cent mark, and the bulls did a great job of holding strong. Actually, not only did they hold strong, but produced a very solid bounce from that point. And then you fast forward to the past very recent history, and during this crazy part right there, surprise, surprise, look right where it bounced off of 55 cents, and now the price is doing a good job of at least just going sideways and consolidating. Now I really wish trading was this easy, and I wish I could sit here and say that, well, because the last time the price bounced off of 55, it went on this nice bounce, then for sure a huge bounce is coming here. Would it be shocking to see some sort of bounce over the next few days? No, that would not be shocking at all. However, myself nor anyone else can sit here and say that a bounce is for sure going to happen, because for sure's imply guarantees, and there's just no such thing as a guarantee in the market. So if you haven't kind of connected those dots as far as levels of support are concerned, 55 cents, definitely a very important level of support going forward. As far as overall levels of resistance, it's all about the moving averages up here. You have the pink line, which is the 200 period. You have the purple line, which is the 50 period. And I get those lines are way up there, but keyword being moving. So as time goes by, as the week unfolds, these lines will move themselves downwards and get more and more relevant. So keep an eye on those. Those are definitely going to be very important levels to watch with any sort of bounce. But really, top priority right now, in my opinion at least, is not necessarily breaking levels of resistance. It's all about going through a healthy consolidation and chipping away at some sort of low, and 55 cents is definitely that. Now, if you're watching this video 12 hours from now and the price is down at 52 cents, well, this video is pretty much outdated, other than the fact that telling you that the bears are just getting that much more momentum, because now this 55 cent mark has been broken. But as things stand, and even if you're watching this several hours from now, that first question you need to be asking yourself is, where's the price relative to 55 cents? And that'll kind of put you on the pathway to the current status of the chart. So the week is young. We'll see how this all unfolds. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now, and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.